welcome back to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. I was contacted by an Aiden Wong to review this glue gun. So I wanted to come on here. I'm going to do a little craft and try this out. This is by MONVICT. Full-size hot glue gun. It's 80-120 watts. It's 110 voltage. It's got 4.25 inch glue sticks. Okay. This is the company. Okay, let's see what it comes in here. Comes with the glue gun. On its built-in stand. This comes with your finger protectors. 3 of them. Let's see if these are different sizes. So it looks like a small, medium, large. So no matter how tiny or big your fingers are, you will be protected. Because I'll tell you, hot glue burns hurt. Okay, cute little finger protectors, and it comes with two, 4, 6, 8, 12 glue sticks. And in order to serve you better, more conveniently, our technical support and after sales team will be there for you. Contact us through this email. We will reply you within 24 hours. Thank you for being one of our precious customers. It has a scan code. Okay, we're going to insert power cord into wall socket. Okay, so I'm going to plug this up. Pretty decent size cord on here. Okay, I've plugged that up. I'm going to insert the glue stick in there. And then it says switch on the power on 80 watt. Or 120, the indicator power light will be red if you select 80 watt, which is the minus on the gun, and yellow if you select 120 watt, which is the 2 lines. So you can do 80. Okay, so here's the red light for 80, and then if you select 120 watts, then it will be red or yellow. So red for 80. And yellow for 120. I'm going to leave it on 120. I like it to be hot. After preheating completely, start your project. Okay, so I'm going to let this heat up here. Okay, I'm going to take my little Cricut mini heat press and just iron out these little pieces of fabric. This red and black buffalo check fabric. Try to make sure I can get this as flat as I can get it. These are just a couple scrap pieces that I had left over from another project. I just love this little mini press. I have the larger one my daughter got me for Christmas, but this one comes in handy for small projects like this. Okay, so this piece of fabric, I'm just going to go ahead and leave like this, but I am going to I want to give this a good crease right here so I can keep that squared up. Okay. And then I want to cut this fabric about the same size. These are just scrap pieces. You don't need to, you know, you can just use any type of scrap that you have for this. I'm going to do the same with this. I'm just going to fold this over and give it a good crease. That way I don't have to glue that end. I went into Cricut Design Space already, and this is heat transfer vinyl, and printed out Merry Christmas and this little Santa Claus. This is just Reynolds kitchen wax paper. Now you want to just preheat. Always when you're doing iron transfer, you want to preheat that just a little bit. Get this where you want it. Lay it down. I'm just going to go over this. I don't know how long. Just about 10-15 seconds. Not very long. This shouldn't. It's very small. And I'm not sure if this is a cool peel or a warm peel, so I'm just going to try to peel that up a little bit and see. All right. Right to there. These are going to be so cute. I'm going to have to make some of these for myself. These are for somebody else. These are going to just be little tiny pillows. So I cut this just scrap felt from the Dollar Tree that I had. So I'm just going to stick those in there. And then I'm going to take this glue gun from MONVICT. And we're going to see how well this glue gun, I'm not going to do that on my pad. Let me take these off of here. This glue gun says the longer you leave it plugged in, the longer you can unplug it and make it cordless. So we're going to try that here in just a second. To save glue sticks and no dripping, please shut off on the power a few minutes before stopping use. Either detach the power cord after preheating completely for using it cordless. Okay, so we'll do one pillow while we still have a cordless, give it enough time to warm up a little bit more, and we'll see. I really like my glue gun, but it doesn't have the fine point on it that this glue gun has. So my glue gun is really good for like a bigger project. And so I needed one like this for like a smaller project. So let's see how well this works. Oh, got a little bit of smoke coming out there. Okay. Okay, pretty hot. Now this is the first time it's being used, so it's got a little bit of a smell, but that's okay. Good thin line right there. Okay, last side. Seems to be doing pretty good. Not getting a lot of strings. Sorry about that. That's my little princess barking. Okay, I need to get a little bit more right there. I like this gun. My other gun, my glue gun, it leaves a lot of strings behind. So this is pretty precise. glue seems to hold pretty good. Yeah, okay. Oh, I just love it. I love how this turned out. Look how cute. Uh-oh. That's my fault. I shouldn't have squished it. I should have let it dry. Look how cute that little pillow turned out. Let's go ahead and start this one, the second one. Go ahead and get this side. Get it a good thin line of glue. Super cute, super cute. We go ahead and clean up these edges. And then here we have two cute, like little farmhouse throw pillows. Aren't those adorable? Yeah, I think this is a pretty good gun. And let's try this. Let's unplug this. So it's unplugged. I just love there's no strings. I just love that. I battle with strings. That is so super hot. There's just no strings. This is a pretty good glue gun. I would recommend this glue gun, and I will keep you informed. I'm going to use this for all of my upcoming projects, and I have quite a few coming up. The glue seems to be good glue that comes with it. Good glue stick. Okay. I will link this in the description if anybody's interested in this. I will I will put in the description if there is a code, a discount code. I don't know. It's pretty cheap, but I think this was $28. I can put the exact price in my description, but it's a pretty good gun. Okay, it's been unplugged for a couple minutes. Let's see if it's still coming out just as hot. Yes, it is. Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this heat gun or glue gun. Look at these little pillows, how cute. These are for a pocket letter. I just thought they was so cute. I just had the idea and thought they were adorable. So, all right, thank you all. If you are subscribed, I appreciate you returning to my channel. If you are not subscribed, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls and just different hauls from different stores and crafts and things. I just appreciate you being here. Thank you so much.